Make me tell you now. I wish that man go put money for only this your pangolo head. Say no, but he not put money for Edward head. We are Edward family because we don't be family members now. We go. Thank God, say Edward even get the house where they. We go remove that man load from that house. Bring her, come give you. Edward will now look for a new sugar daddy. Every small boy, no small boy. But now she's a married woman. Edward, awala yo wekbere. Man, because all water will balekia. Skeleton is obo. Or we gwalekia ni have your small boy see. And you have your. You understand me? Person when you say you ready for your ass, pack juju, pack money, pack everything. The day Esther and the man do marriage, Esther was paying that man $100. Now they spray almost $3,000. Oya in yekiani. And me no say now that money make that man put money for her head. Because he don't already tell the man say, then our we marriage, $100, he don't save that $100 when he tell they go show. He have a finevi kwa with yeso, he have finevi kwa with yeso. Now I call the spray for the man. But the marriage now, when you use $100, almost how many times you take the spray your husband, una the benyash, una the bendos, una go the dance, una go wear expensive lace, una the do. Now the marriage you did, now see, and listen to what you get inside the marriage.
I have been played for a fool for a very long time. And I know. And I accepted because I need peace. One peace So we watch a live video now. I will come out to it.
You say you want to give person peace. If hands don't they meet you like this, now Mona just they watch out. Why watch again? This skeleton of 7 Joshua of 18 Joshua. As hands don't they meet her now, the next thing she will bring out now her children. Just watch and see. You see those her daughters now she go come by bring come out. May they call the insult Edward with parable. As if say now Edward gog the children, gog their mama. As if say now Edward go invite their mama say come follow me marry. Now all those women suffer the page, they wait for those children because they're not be even children again. All those will not be children. Money man go 50 times. Now all those women suffer they wait for. Because I know that they will soon come outside. Children will not get respect. So that we'll still show the road to their pa. Where their pa they. The reason why they don't need to drag a word. Now woman they with their papa go as we speak. Wagwale peace.
To explain. I say don't need your plate. I say don't need you. You don't want your. You see the fine her play.
Thumbs up, guys. Thumbs up and share.
Everybody really knows.
Share this video.
True. Now me the final. Because I believe in when the play day between the both of us, the man go get peace, go happy. Now me the final. But in one end, go mad about one. They love it in one end. Because social media you
I beg make I read this comment. He said, "Not be only food now lost. I pity people we don't know you, Esther. Waiting drive you for your last baby papa house. My lady love me say, if you marry polygamy man, we no get he own money. Okay, he go stress you till you buy. Regina Daniel, they cry like this. This one polygamy went wrong. Joshi polygamy na mi accident. Yara bunu we bunu bo bune. Oh wait, I have been in pain for a very long time. What damn you? Other prophecy. When na next time na wogi e no ri okwa. Yes. Oh, be animate mo egbe wi yan ri okwa. Every time we say we marriage. Should I come and blame that man now and say married 2 wives? No. Now your mouth you take talk and say the man open up to you as a side chick say I don't feel marry you. I don't want marry. I know they do marriage. I don't want marry. You know, so those kind of where they follow different many women. They don't like do marriage. Because once they do marriage, no more, now you I must marry. According to that what you will play the last time. Only now you I must marry. I came now you I must marry. Only what we were. If you don't marry. So the man no one marry. Somebody say, your baby papa go they laugh you. When they give back, but where born any move besta. Esther MPC. Emi bu no confess. Now they get me. Now this 18 local government Ijizobo. Now it say the man say make he come marry her by force. The man say no they marry. Now she come by go pinch her papa. It was over back here no twist nyanya. Na wufu. Na came your no friend up bianera. I will marriage babari. Must you do marriage? Where you living with the man? You and that man they live together where you pack by. The only way they go tell woman say your papa don't buy me pop money. Tell the man where you deal with me pop money for you. Now when you born for that man, you are living with a man and you born for the man. If you don't know, let me tell you guys. Una they get me so. Now when you born for the man and you have been living with that man, if it be 4 years, if it be 5 years, you have been living with that man. Not be saying they because you the friend, but I be all of us that been for mama friend up there. We not friends made there, we not friend people there. Which one they will call you say, okay, your papa because you get boyfriend, not be even married, you not they stay together. They will call you say make a couple money for your head. When the man buy this desperado, somebody say she's out of the game and her music has end. Or funny, if me hear music, it go be like say they knock me waiting no good. If I use ordinary my ear hear her music, it will be like say they knock me waiting no good. When this girl finally, I don't know as they do their papa, they tell you we don't know, allegedly, according to what some people they talk. The woman, for her to prepare, do a papa marriage, a papa burial in peace, make all of us hear word. Say the last baby papa, I know the man Richard. Really? I beg, I love, I beg. Bring the man, terror for us now. Maybe we see tell the wrong things for street. Man, I swear that fears the man will next away. Because I know say the man will be willing to speak. Because who siesta, no siesta. It means not better market time. Una they get me so. Let's go back. All that money where they go, they give her that time. The man, the man, I don't enter the money. The man, I enter the money. Now they can say like this now, may we do marriage. Now she would tell the man, say, Esther was really desperate for marriage. Yes, now she want prepare her S. Or prepare yes is okay. Oh, bonavai. No. She forced the man also forced her. Two of them forced themselves, say they want to marry you. Now Esther needed marriage because she said now because her papa, person where they were supposed to put money for her head. As Esther papa back now a word. Yes, if people want to talk about tradition, person where deserve marriage that period, now only a word. Because one, a word have been living with destiny for years. Two, he born for her. Now all those time women qualify for bride price. Not be side chick where different men they bug, they go for everywhere. No say this one has shower. No say this one has shower. If she not be a shower, I tell no the feeling of small picking bola for bekus. And she tell no say if man don't old, like they know the 2 day active for Isaac bekus. I shower know my people. She got the experience. Oh, when I have be a car gear man be male level ya. Or as you can you or we do the yarn you way you not born for person, you never live with her. You can say, may they come marry you. Okay, fine, no problem. They marry you finish now. They fair marry Edward according to now she be the legitimate wife. You now side chick, second hand, hair seller wife. Now you be. They come marry Edward legitimately. Edward get DNA for them. Edward stand. If you do anybody to say Edward not good though, Edward get back character. If you know say you are the most perfect person on earth, be the first to judge Edward. But if you know say you're not perfect, say your own shame and disgrace, this may follow you. I bet if you see a word for road, Britain quite starving. Egbewo. Where you sobo. May you clear road for how may she pass. If not, ogun on day you not go know where go pass. Come. You won't use a word compare 80 local government. She said, I am the best musician in Edo State. I don't understand. She said that she be the best. Ask me who the follower even do competition. If not that one. See person where saying that I not blame her. Not be we promoter. Where she can hear music every day. Yeah. Even she bas, she dey hear her own song now. She dey feel they listen to her music. Go see music where they sing. Brother, sister, man. As we speak, that music till now, it never even reach 100,000. Since that day, they come today. A music in might get 100,000 views. Somebody say, Esther to like people husband. You see, huh? Or when you make peace. Or when you make peace. Music where she use a whole legend. Where they say if Davido when they use your match, so they say like Davido, like a Davido, like a this one do, like a Burna Boy. People will say they release music under 24 hours. Now 1 million, 2 million, 3 million. Now music you carry your new friend now. The one will be say since when you not say near Two-Face there with your wife Annie ma. Immediately you start to sing with Two-Face. Go see Two-Face now. They say the CSA market for Selu market just now. Blog just they carry that one they go there. That's what it can do for our Benin market. Say we don't need that for them. Now, no Benin people as their matter be because they know say marry. And he don't abandon the wife now. They find something they go for Benin. Who show all those roads? Now Esther. So that he go feel they use Two-Face, they sing local music. Esther, they sing local music. Two-Face, they sing international music. Music where they say every part of this world feel know and listen to. Esther music, now let we be Benin, and they hear them. If he pass Benin, we don't know. Brother ma, sister sa, ni metele Yoruba person can understand that music. No other tribe can understand. Now only we this Benin where she they fight so. Now only we they understand where she they talk. But our 2 mosquito leg, she go carry the leg. You go to use the Davido. People where they sing globally, go they use the compare a miserable useless self. Shawo name PC word. No where else must not man not damn you.
I have been played for a fool for a very long time.
Because you are a fool.
And I know. And I accepted because I need peace. So we worship. I have been played for a fool for a very long time. And I know. And I accepted because I need peace.
If If not be greed where they worry you, or polo eye where they worry you, you they go somewhere, or you the friend boy, and you see and say that they use you. Why you not revise, make you use back, come aside? Why did you still move forward? Why you still they shook your head? But since you know, say you have been playing for a fool. Our greatest mistake is to fight Frank and Rita. There, that one. Ni why you fight with Rita ni? Eva agbena gbiyin. Eva gbena gbiyin. No ma sopa no we na gianye ye ha. Wa me na igo no ma so ma ya pe asrent be we bo wa me. No ka bo benekere. Wa me ni ho ma na ene. Wa me. Osman Snatcher. I'll be playing for you for a very long time. Oh.
So we watch a live video now. I will come out to explain. To explain. Like I say, don't need your play. I say, don't need you. You don't want your. You see, they find her play.
You they hear? Percy say, he said, now so peace. He said, now so no peace. Okay, now so peace. Now you they find. She not get peace. So they find Percy husband. Now Mona listen. Turns all this video, guys. Mona share. Una see this place where she they talk. So she they make her they obvious to the world. Say. He said, okay, yeah. She they make her they obvious to the world. Say she with her word, not the play. Because the husband called for a power platform to say, she and the air word, they play. Everything they are post. The story, now they talk say, person say no one for the day you make everybody stay home. You know here. You can't they drag me join her. You can't they do say we be friends. Mona listen.
Now she they need the play. And everybody really knows. That's true. Okay. Now me they find her. Because I believe in when the play day between the both of us, the man go get peace, go happy. Now me they find her. But in one end, go out of one.
Guys, let me reply this person. Oh, naive boy. Silver boy say, Queen, go marry. So, Silver boy, adedigbi. Ugly musheshe with your round face. I don't even need to click your picture. With your round face. You can't feel say na only marriage. Now be the everything for life. See your sister way go marry now. Your sister way they husband house. Now they talk now say she have been played for a very long time. She says she not get peace of mind. She said that they use her for the marriage. And you come here and say, Queen, go and marry. Wa bera wa bijwa. If you wear what don't know wagon. Silver boy, you silver boy. No be wagon obey we by their name, you shall know them. If you wear what do you know if I'm married? If me not even married, why like me? You know see another title. Una Chris, no, you're not to talk. Queen, go and marry. Queen, go and marry. Your sister wait the husband house. Now they talk.
Because any social media you with not the
okay.
Presenters or gear no yoke with fire, presenters of video with no yen, presenters of yen, a presenters, a family lawyer representative, a family representative, we presenter.
But you not presenter.
So you meant
Esther your bogunwe, we presenter. Are you not a presenter? You not be presenter. Family lawyer by way presenter. You not be presenter.
Oh, you call a presenter. Okay. You may call a presenter. So you may you call you
you see?
And when you go call you or you call you no, you have a temata, or you told him away. You may not go to him away. Because who feel never won't call it. Who temata, man? This one go on.
And Zobi, we love a lot.
Because the time over you call any presenter to explain himself, he can't say guy.
Now remove you here. Just the one side.
Then,
all right.
Just the one side. What come here with it's all our way making. What good time? What good time, Frankie video?
Now, Mona listen to this useless wayward woman. He say, he tell the husband, say, make he not call any presenter again. He don't want the husband. I bet Mona help me ask skeleton of nowhere, skeleton of things, skeleton of animal place or things. Which right she gets? Which right she gets to say order the man around? My people. Which right skeleton of nowhere gets to take order the man? Say, see what you go do. Now you be first wife. No go you be first wife. I shall go no get shame. You be first wife, I ask you, Mogoloyi, you be first wife. Now you won't command the man, I tell her, say, make it not any presenter. You want to do say you be first wife. You want to take over the first wife position. You know why the man not listen to you? Because you are a rat. When man say no, give up instruction. Who when you will not control your children. Now you want to control your husband. Where me take control you where for ya? Yana your bob walking and when the satatigon. Now only a word get her to tell the man say, sit down here. Enter flight. Make we go Vetina. Let's go shop some hair. The man follow on so the bad. Oh, we have me boy. Only one thing when you tell her, say make not come present. The day when you tell her, say make not come present, another day cut it. Now beneath my bill. You want to turn this man to a quarrel, character where your man or your get where baby. Since when woman call the tell her to work out for marriage? Which position when only yo? Whatever no say wah. Now you go tell the man, waiting, I go tell the move around. Make sure say as you they talk to this man I word husband. We already conclude, we don't see everything. Only what the man fear. You don't even fear, say before you take that decision to come outside to talk about your husband, you don't take order from first wife. If to say at the time where beneath tradition, the fian gang where be abian baby, for you to boycott your first wife, go media go they talk nonsense. For you to even order that video, you see your first wife, she go order all those caterers, all those people where they happen, they come everything. Yes, because now the day where they marry you, you're not blind. Now this first wife, they hand over you give. I bet you over there. Now this first wife, they hand over you. As you they misbehave. So, now because of this first wife, she don't need problem. If now some women will need problem for you to on your live video and insult her husband, or talk less of. I tell you, who be you when you they tell the man? You don't know your position. You don't know your position. Your position remain a side chick. If that man listen to waiting you they talk, let me say no himself. Only one woman if they listen to that is a word. Who be you? You know the shame saying 4 children. You born have been as how many children before man go put money for your head. Now you they tell person say I tell her say they say also beat you, they beat you. According to Namiti person where that one. Even the meeting person what to not be smoking. Nothing we not talk. Nothing one Namiti person not talking why mo ya leva ene. If ye member say miti. And your of ye and wado. We may be we both meet you when you are women in Nigeria. Yagay, or maybe anyone that we both away. Or it's your boulua. Os your boulua.
Now, I want to explain it's only when we since we in Yemet, Emino, or Dolane who were.
Yes, man. Yes, man. My lady, mama love. They have that when la you marry no be exam program of here. Guys, please thumbs up, okay? Mona put comment. Mona put comment. Love and like. Please, if you did my other platform, come to the Queen Talk Show. Okay? If you did VIP TV, VIP blog, come to the Queen Talk Show. Okay? You know, come people love and like and share. Yes, so thanks for joining. A lady Stella. Oh, when we wanna gossiping, we tell what Dima, Dima, Edima, they gossip where they do. Yes, now. Oh, however, what for we wanna gossip in my way. Why they mwito ladian? Thanks for joining my lady Shizara. Oh, when me I mwito ladian. Inya ya gossip. Oh, when that one no be our toro.
Breaking news. In a world like that, in a way, trust in Manako time, make it by Nigeria. Then, me, Mavo, or Manaku,
guys, share this video, okay? Let me share this video.
Yamakwalo need Maria space in here. Now, it may agree on it now. Moti assume yo, Launia. Now may agree now, when no more. Everybody maintain your space.
Una no hear what she call they talk. She can say everybody maintain your space. Uma or we no can beg. You know she fed the beg. I beg. The reason why she stopped to the beg because the man already put money for her head. The time when the man never put money for her head, she was begging. She was begging the first one. Una see and say she played the first one. May I take her back, Mona?
In a world like that, in a way, trust in Manako time, make it by Nigeria. Then, me Mavo. Oh, Manaku, because we money pick me. Need Maria space in here. Now, it may agree on it now. Moti assume yo. Launia. Now may agree now. When no.
Una here? Oh, we Moti assume yo. You gotta beg the senior one way. Lao. Beg that time they never marry her. Una they see you might be. That time. They never married this Okbosho. Ona digwene what time for joining my favor. Ona ga digwene what there what the lao. Ona ga mo yo mo ere yan ajiku. O ma mi ze mi ya of your ne what the why me mase. Why me hona with a mase. Why me mase. Before all the mase. My son. Why me. Wa beg even agboya behavior. Oh, you were kia ni wa mo go yo. On our draw a line, you know what? Everybody day or day. Let me be on my own. everybody day your day wa beg ege snitch dana ori we marriage ni onya enyi tana we nyeta we iya be word iku emi ni nyeta na ni David boy kan ma we ni na ya ni nyeta si eri ya we ni marriage eri nya be used for many years eri ya so hu for national peace today ni ya kan ma ni presenter what's our business vogi kan ma magi wo word on ya mama that's we ni no e ba yo ya gwa lo dey we no continue
more. Everybody maintain your space. No more. I don't tire. I don't try my best. I don't fit again.
because we your dollar one hey
Maintain your space.
agbon si o
Or daffy me. In deto. Ni akeye Vietnam or deto. If your time me.
okay
Imaleli anjo. Emi no time me no. Imaleli anjo.
vogi kan me vetina kan me o da for we deto vogi kan ni kan ma kan we no we what dia na to gbo e bagun ni no na ne what dia te wu nu we mu skeleton o pe ran ri a skeleton a native doctor skeleton zobo vogi kan vetina kan na jena kan ba bonu la we gbe uwe what na gbe na di boy ekuri uwe boy ekun what na ri abi de no kibo uwe ri boy obe ekun what na ri because he only understand any story boy uwe ri boy ekun what ri man, it Europe must stop. Europe must stop. I don't know if van on Facebook na. To my Frankie guy man, ya te update. Inya Eva or when we de la una. They will not can what divona. They ne like we boy we Europe to ya can. Vetina can I order for more hito? Can I yoga mami hito? Guys, I don't get it. I don't know. Somebody should explain all this to me. Because I feel what na me. That's what I'm saying. Okona swan menene. O swan menene. Listen.
Or time me we invest in be de to go bi yen. Yen be de to go bi yen. Cause yen ijo le lejo yen na do me we a business na we have we. So but say ogi ni yen na. Yen ogi o say yen de. E ma ni yen be do de. Yen de. O go bi yen. O wi yen de.
O say.
Wa dam yo say
o go say yen de. Ai. Salo boa. Eri ave waka. Oda fun iri e tota oni na lecture ewe e vetina ni ejo igo gi yen ya dere to ige o se eyin kan ki ogi yen ki ogi popa oni a government appointed okpe anu wina we government as on say wina we otimani me even on there any politician keto e la video na ya we ni do via we Ghana must go venya huni e ko do lawa ni make ragun imeyon dege any politician keto eto be meto eto no working yan iya ga izo iya ya de te hari because no na e show a television in my bere or abungbe egbo ete ha o isin a politician na de ti sen ona vioge a musician also na really no do ahie a live video they no ko no journalist no kwa o ma vio no ni o they no ko no journalist big fan base or da fo ma vio no ni o ona do vio ni yen hey gini ayu no kwada se
Go bi yen.
e bi o jawe
Odore na bi dori yen. Yan bi hion. Yan bi mien igo again ni bo. Yen na de. Ogi be de ona bi de me na lo kekan.
thanks for joining Equator strong fans thanks for joining
Me mu juna ma yigo de.
do kwesi la regume gwegwan do kwesi working do kwesi working then oda fun when it you we o wo kan le o gemi o ya deto ya so ahin to then we na we ogi everywhere hin to when ni tama we na then we na we ogi everywhere o hin to oda fun we na tu we total was zero igi yen de vetina nya ya deto mugu we nu we ahin we mai mi unu ya ka me we la gogo emi no kan to ege kan obonu ya gbe to ege de kan wa dere viome ya ga lo ore ni me do ahin to they no give am na ahin to me do ahin enu we e da won do we gele ma u ba wo go ga ni le zioni we no ahin to we go na mi to no ni we ahin to o ga imo e wot ya idegbe ari vetina iri mo bi ani le legbe when e wot e mo ma pe ani o de we dey mo jo because Ogbiani don't be surprised where dokpa or a musician so bona here or ya ma ave stone ya fefefe e what man e mo Ogbiani jo e mu ya jo o da fun we na tama tamu we Unu we do ahie mi no kie. Be ne what you wajena na da fun do time we ya do megbe do kito do we Europe talk. Or they just yes. What do you expect? Oh, what the mana tioma? Oh, agbe to blatas. Oh, my waiting you do your word on. I get you laugh again. Oh, you may I've been used. I'll be this. What? Eh, oh, make any me on wa home. Ba my eva. Na le say start to be. Oh, make any me on wa home. Eh, ba di me. Oh, get take be one abi be take wa wo gie. Ira we baba. What's your corner level na? Says ge.
Well, you got it way. If fancy men have a
Destiny follow to collect contract for Esther. In your write down. My lady wait right there. While Monica say Destiny follow to collect contact for Esther. In your write down. In your down. A president, a government official. No hito. Only day be hito. Asa we start time ni age nyonya to ni emu. We make ke beto na ni. In your me no de when Esther guy ni vie. We no guy ni de gbe vie to na get word. In asa ma mo su lele ne. In asa wa vie to na de gbe la story word why down one. Why vie to na la vegetable market to kwa ni pa de sama mo sun lele ni igwe se no US pa ba wo kin kise wa don lo give away with competition ri antin yi all these women wey they do over sabi they follow me ri antin yi ge umobo abi no be umobo how they call all those women wey they do over sabi wey you there be two boy go they do over sabi ke what they call them ame bodo no le yo leri
nya kinia
listen
so nya everything have you me enjoy all kind of adverts no be me we are going there. Even when you open to me, they tell me, say, this when I give you, when I come, the people, when people, even why you joy, why you joy, immediately why joy, you know what, you know.
Nobody buy any hair when you wear. E ma gbonje to, ama eru diyan ya de. Eh? You where you come so Imo say, oh you went to where that day. You never hear now say the hair where your sister now they say, he gets that, now the husband even get her. And according to the man say na hair what get the hair. You understand? Based on they use Esther turn to sales girl. If you don't know me, you know. If you don't know me, you know before you dey comment.
Because next week so that me am making a toy. Then when I come, you told me.
It's what water you go.
No so na dey go Vietnam.
E we bo mama gbese. See water, see the way it go.
You told me. I don't want to go.
They block it where they miss out with normal one.
You beg me. Hey, wait, not too.
But not too go. Go water. Emma baby.
You want to go and claim it now.
They miss on.
And you need money, join money. And the ones where you not back.
Man, take and go back. We're waiting.
Yeah, joy. You are roy. Immediately why joy? You know what? You are ready. You must have my what do. Or that film on me now. If my tia what do. You are roy. Okay. Yeah, my age no now. My age no now because my age okay. I join next week so that me am making a toy. Then when I come, you told me. I know so now they go Vietnam. I want to go back here. I know. You told me. I don't want to go into details about that. Then you beg me. Hey, where you buy for grant? My claim since. And you want to go and claim it now. And you need money, join money. And the ones where you not buy small city for your own. Where you buy for your own. Small city. Where you never sell finish. So I said they go abroad, so I beg get me seller. I said, okay. You back and come for me. As you back and come for me. What did I do? I know say people like saga. And saga they help for business. I know say saga. If no, saga they help for business.
Okay.
I said, okay. If you bring down, I know if you say man I come buy my husband hair.
Now die you, my lady.
Or me I say man I come buy hair word hair. Because I know they sell hair for hair word. Now my husband they sell hair for.
Waiting make you measure hair words name for year when what the talk boy ever no skeleton of nowhere. No, Lord, waiting make you call a word name here now. No respect for her husband at all. Thanks for joining Mama Jennifer. Waiting make you put a word name now for your mat. No, what the talk boy? Now a word come and come to say no to you. Since when you they drag a word, you don't ever hear a word call your name. Musician Zobo. 18 local governments. A psychopath. And what yes when you were there? Abun what to talk boy. Or what I mean, what to talk boy? Eh? Mwe wodo o bu enya lega e wodo wa we second wife no become e wodo gi ogun mo na listen to her.
So as I they go abroad, so I beg me seller. I said okay, you back and come for me. As you back and come for me, what did I do? I know say people like saga. And saga they help for business. I know say saga if no saga they help for business.
Oh,
I said okay, if you bring her, I know if you say man I come buy my husband hair.
Esther, you be mumu. For you to even say Sagade, me ask me do Sagade, she know help my business. Many presenters, they don't feel the settings. Saga not help their business. Now mumu you they mumu yourself. It is say you they talk. Saga they help for business. You know how many hours Saga say niki talk nito, niki mi yak mi. Not what they never first said. Jewelry so bobo tibo. The only way they say they do their business is they took it out of media. My own business now, it make me the share and give people for store owner. You know even know say na my own. You know even know say na my own. That's how I still they run my business. They go to tomorrow. We Saga they have business. When me we Saga say how every week. It's on me for don't even they go China, they go India, they go Turkey, they go Philippines, they go America. Say go they buy things for they say. Monica no web boni jogo. Monica can hit to a live video. They will not back here. Saga or back to your bo. Mumu Saga they have. They fool yourself there.
Oh me I come buy a word because I know they sell her for a word. Now my husband they sell her for. Now he give me her for your hair way back. Now so he tell me say the hair way back where they sell me. Make I help and sell her. You not tell me say na hair word there. If to say you see tell me say na hair word there, I go see sell her. And you as my husband, you know. If you that's why una they call me mumu. But I not be mumu.
You see, huh? He said that's why them, which is the man, because now the man she they talk to. She said that's why the man and the first queen, the first wife, beautiful woman, what? She said now that's why they call her mumu. Before first wife with their husband, call they call second wife mumu. My people, I don't see that matter. Una no say they already know say she be back of mumu. She by the talk now, she they talk small. She be able to say if she do this video finish, she go use this video against the party. People come pity her, say so you know say she don't even display all her real face. All her faces we don't know and finish. She be one snake with almost 14 head. All her strategy we know all. Even if say me see her knee down now they cry for live video, they even they beg the whole world. Yeah, amabogbe. Person where be say people offend, they beg herself, yeah. La go egwio. Somebody say, my lady say she need to stop singing and take Sagache. Make she know if I sing, they very soon we also they let the whole world they know say her music they corrupt children. Her music they spoil like those children. This woman they go they press nyash, open nyash. They press her, they do different worldly things. She they practice Sodom and Gomorrah for her music. We don't need that. We be adult people, we are known for our tradition and good people. We know they do all those nyamanya. Now you know we for go see people where they pianist. I they want a ladian where the music industry no ladian. They la studio. They no sense of over.
Ijani go ma ko mi no ri gore. Iya gbe zaga. Ikwe because we are in my buy na ri no be
Larry, we are go ma ko. If you meeting no fear you. If you meeting wa vio you. Yari toni ria. This one not be your husband. Oh, your own case. If you meeting no vio you. If you meeting no vio you. I hear now there's almost 27 million. Now you don't chop so far. You have vomiting. If not, if those people come outside, they sit down, wait for chair, relax. They explain to us what they go on. Only go where we meeting. Wa vomiting ya, ladian. Anyway,
ta ba igi yenwe. Odobode no so agossip we. O mata ma me get oge no. Dey to wait mama me. Ije de mi o we. Yeti talo. Yeti wa talo jo. Because it's
why go talo jo? Ona mi e word onya Tony or that when I vie Tony Google we. Zele a last wife in any choice. A desperado no ba lo wodere. Ana vie to gwe we mi to na ya hin utalo yo. So, o han o we misbehave na. O han mu we ri gbe kwa we. What if you told me when we are here? What complain? That is what rants, what grumble. Lulu le vieto ache de Bible wa ya wa vati yo ene ma do ide. Wa uma enu ekin no. Ve no da fo mo Tony Gwe ninu kin enu do wa vati yo. Wo ere kin. Ma wo ere kin. Ige ke no kwa yo e. Wa wo wa we me say ro. We slippers are heavy yo. Ya the time word. The next time she go to Vetina, no gba the rubber slippers di ma gbe ba. I want this fine designer slippers no gba le ni ma gbe. Iya to sile ya yo hu awe. Umeme. Iya we me we ava imeme nya zedoni e. A me ne ni ayo boy san. O ma we ya wa ya bibi ni ata dey as the man. Ayo boy san. Mo we agba lo ma no hiri. Agba lo ma no wa vat. Uzuo. Vai mo we ba. Upe wo va mo we ba. Udu aje le si do ahe we re go dere. Onyo pa ya wo me ni. E ba we ba. We are game ya me wo do no dey slippers viore. All those fancy guests, all those Burberry slippers, all the slippers we make sense. Ave mi so to match all make bag and slippers. No ya viole no viole no do wa gwe ta ugu ki. Wa te no ya we wo. E wo do ni ya mo so te no ya wo. Ma we no logo do. So, u me we mi no logo da si gba ka. U me we mi no logo de. We ri agbari ave wa mi o dere. U sa face. Wo gi eke. U sa face. Bad wa gonna pity e u me ni. Oh, we have a word, they know they play. You can't give me the head. Oh, not be a one water lawyer. Or see a no in a coca my way on yato. The most important thing, ni okay to no him. Oh no, the eating. Oh no, the coco. Who saw you? Who were via you? Who got so we love you? Who via you be a could go so far okay to make sure we go making what if you boy yo. When it's about Nasipaka, you go making with Tony. Egg me only cobble line or egg mini line. When we are cooking when you know come out send a better. Who give 5 in a code you bag gbali no to tepo. Was in Nigeria, they gear what they restore. Yaha. Igo ni gero bag ge coke balo. Sabiso boyo. The gear what the restore was said. Egg one in a line. Mao. I'm going to you
know, funny tell lady here, but you lied to me. When we're then. And you know what happened. We give you to the same man. You know, you are always say that in the process in here, I guy many because you were shared to A and B. You want a man. Then why I show because why in my neighbor, why in my you ever. Woman, all say the mess on a few who, who do with your timely text. What will me because I will be a no one because if you know my if been a nail where who can be. I may not sound a always sound a call. Here we are what where my daughter they say, they said I'm not allowed to pay. I know. If not, I thought I said, now my husband get her. I'll talk and say, now my husband get her. Where they say? But I know if I talk and say, now my daughter get her, may I waste a gun or see, or be happy.
It is only a useless woman or woman that will shed the happiness of our children for another man. Not be even their papa. Now only useless woman go bring the happiness of our children down. They don't drag those children up and down, upside down. How many times you don't see our Buffy Marcel on live video? How many times? Marcel gets senior brother. How many times you don't see her for live video? For any platform. They're not born any presenter where to put that picture on their platform. But what about you? All the children where be like where they be like Otsan, where you born for native daughter, you bring all of them come they use the collect beating for Bola. Then they even they beat the children now. You bring those children where you know fully well say no be if you bring that hair comments, they go drag you. You come aside. You can't say now you're small picking. You know how many junction where people don't they swear for that picking they go before? When all nani ate mudawi or hania, that your daughter so. You know how people don't they look that your picking? Say, oh, your she's so dirty. Very useless girl like mother like daughter. Your step mama they say, hey, you to go they say, hey, where can I now your hanila? You get to work more with ya. Desperado. Desperate woman. They put your children for front. Nah, your head to toe is not shameless. E mani lega we ye poto sinu. Ubodo we ye. No one good reasonable thing will tag you. Oh, I no sick away. Shame my disgrace or yak baba. Shame my disgrace. Azwa wagon. Thank you, my lady Mose. Mama Brian, thank you.
Oh, Vasabini must be happy.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, what Vasabini must to pour. And no Vasabini must to help me. Where to be the help now to bring down our own children. Banekia. Hey, yo, salad, buane. This ya Ghana if you where you're there. Oh, I went to oh, I made you ye kia go along oh. Eh? See me see wahala, my people. See me see wahala. She not care about the children. Why you know what's the thing wrong?
So na no vasabi bunye gbe mi no mi o vasabuni mo so we pinye. Ni aya binani you ne no makaya ni. E na kati ye ya hin. O je me decide where ya we.
Okay.
Ni wa le ya pe because e come ma we pe.
Okay, what decided to bo we ru ya we? Ah, amapie we be dio. Yo genial. Kuna mana chama wa gbe to bla. Who asa? Since you to bo we decide wa vivi well adian. Ni ya do mi asan le gbe. Oh, you cannot blame anybody right now. Where anybody no blame. Oh, mama give way. All this explanation guys, who send you message now? I've yet to one time when we are at drama. Did anybody send you to do comedy with it? Ah, bon, shall we not get shit?
I not get strong mind. I not think what to me. Anytime
I
I feel like this man not conducive for me, I go walk out, nobody can hold me.
Much more selling hair, okay?
But guess what? I will not walk out.
Yes, so thanks again, Melissa. That's a bit like, this is.
Oh, no, marriage.
Mona, listen. Make I can go back. Madame, yo.
Yeah, he. Or you may decide where you are away. Why they are because they call me my way. I don't get strong mind.
Eko we gbe my guy. Eko we to ye boy. You are selfish. Eki awon my way. The reason you not vivi where you not vie to you not vie family where you not ba make your destiny your way. De your way no. The reason na we bog we mu wa don't do we ba make ya. I bet you don't know the story. Ba make ya. If a mother can stay and watch people drag her children, the way Esther children, they drag the children with things which they use them to. It's not obvious to the world that everything what those children they do, where they drag them. Now Esther they send them. Now they send those children. Which responsible woman go put up? Maybe son go marry Esther picking. If not the person where they smoking go, where not the social media. Eh? Which responsible person, like all those Patandu children, all those governor children, all those big men children, all those Erowala children, which mother among these big men go open door say, make any of their son come outside, come marry Esther children. And money may soon bonohi, and Winya is already fabalized. And Winya is not Lubababi, now waiting they call that thing. Is it Lubababi, Balulu, Abi, waiting they call that latest toy where they say they reign for Nigeria, where they say the same message. Eh? La bubu. E winya ki la bubu. E winya ki la bubu. E yeme vinyale. Which reasonable, responsible, hardworking family go welcome those children? Eh? Because of Ekia.
Anytime I feel like if this marriage not they conducive for me again, I go walk out, nobody can hold me.
It don't tell where you they talk am. And it's written all over your faces. Because waiting you carry come out is different. Waiting you they talk is different. You come and say they say Europe must stop. You want to come fight Frank. Frank insult your husband. Okay? Who should come be all this preaching where you can't preach? Now so air word. Now so the man give you hair. Now so your children come. Now you beg your children. Maybe they can't do that. Now you do. You know say they will saga them. So the way that they swear for your children, they sweet you. I only you want to say they don't say the marriage. The marriage don't tire you. It's written all over your faces. Because you know your husband is not an easy man. You say you not go marry again. You not go use full body take come for that marriage. Or mention you dislocate where you talk. You know you need help. You need people to rescue you out of that marriage. Now make you want to do video. Now you don't go. They say na enemy cock you there for enemy UK. Una there. You are not there for the make man too. If to say na Benin you dey fear let you do this kind of video. Amakpa wa compare for anything. What make you go hospital? Go do operation where they remove every single living thing where they say your belly. Na nyere ejini no kwanya fisi your weko nugu ya kian yo kian re. Ejini no kwanya wiya mu your weko battery your na battery your belly they use na battery. Your belly na they say battery they say battery we young winner. Who even know whether na the battery don't know where they mumu like this. Say no to abusive polygamy.
But guess what? I will not walk out.
Okay.
I'm not going nowhere. They me marriage na. Oh no, me marriage na. They me marriage na. If we can't go out, the idea, he go, I know they go. So,
my people, a battery of now you want to know that everybody sick or any check a battery of no work
house. And we know say they go saga me.
Come say.
Me and my innocent daughter. Of your hand take we here.
You see?
Enough for
guys, I don't want to talk about this. My share they drop and I gonna go see they draw me they come out for why they do video. My people, una dey here. She say she tell her pikin make her pikin come say hey. Make on live video come act that drama. She say her pikin say she no go do. Let me take it back. Let me take it and you must buy for the what get done here.
Can't go out. The idea, you go, I know they go. So if me and my husband don't talk for inside house, and we know say they go saga me and my innocent daughter, of your hand take we here. Now for say, why the music if for say we want you like you. Vamos here be here go any other saga me, here do actually make no sense now.
Mona court this place. People where they carry Esther, they go court. People where get court case with Esther. Mona court this particular place. This is a domestic violence. This is a child abuse. Esther is using her children to achieve her selfish desire. She's maltreating those children. She's abusing the authority of children. This is Europe. I first don't know anything, mama. But Esther, you have the nerve to force your daughter to come and say her and you talk her for live video. Now so you they force all these children. Now so you they force the come Europe. Those children tell you say they don't want to come. You force them. You force them and you go force them for work. You need to be checked. You need to be checked. All this social where they carry children, they need to put eye for your body. They need to hear how you they force your children, they condemn their life on social media. They need to see. Mona listen again.
To go out. The idea, you go, I know they go. So, if me and my husband don't talk for inside house, and we know say they go saga me, me and my innocent daughter, obi o kan ti tell me here, na for say wa be me say mama if for say we want ya la yo. Ba mo so fian bi me. Yen gba lo yen ado saga me, yen ado atso ni me yen nonsense na. When ni me ya di wa ni Stephanie kun la sin la da video me o vie de we yen magwa le yen de gwa lo. Yen magwa lo. Don't put me to it to I don't want. You understand it now? Enough for say because only have set it me good one. Me and give a swing. Wait, mommy, not see what we talk. They never.
You see this woman? She dey force her children to come they collect everlasting swear because of say she want please Bola. Yes, now thank you, my lady Melissa. No, before woman go fit bring her daughter come outside for public, for national TV, not even say maybe now the pikin like social media. Social media where we say which day, Mians day, or Popeyes day, different things day. Or not of you via ladia. He get talk mommy kia. He forced that pikin, and at the end, he ended the way the pikin talk and say they will drag me, they will saga me. I don't want them to kill me with saga. You don't think about those children mental health. Esther, do you know how saga affects people mentally? Talk less of small baby where we say, oh, we are going to say we'll get some start 10 or 7. When you wa saga me banya. Anybody now feel we in saga me. If no, you made your money not life rich. In a too close to small start ladia. Ina wa bera wa bijwa. Wa so for no la wa. Even if you may even want even if na call water self I sip like this. Wa be saga wa. Because why? I know how to take it. And I know how to give it out. But your children don't get that experience. Your children they don't know those things. But because of Ekia, they force them. They force them. They force them. Somebody say Destiny fast. He said Destiny play. Esther, can you imagine? Thanks for joining. Let me share this video. Esther force her picking out of their wish.
Oh, we may not so. No, so where mommy, I know I talk as I know the two see nothing or muscle, but we only just said it inside the house where my belly who taggle say, young lady in my high. I know that female they work in imagine young lady. We are the talo. So say with the hair get fake, where we are the fake, where all man work banana, a tiano.
Domani Magbinana, Esther, where walk. I walk me walk, Domani Magbinana, Esther. You need to come and show us who we fight for. For your mind now, we are fighting for Edward. We Edward not get fight. Talk less or say we fight. We they tell you the way you they misbehave, when they misquantina. We know what you just stay Edward. We know they fight for. If we fight for Edward, we are make it out. Edward never even give us anything we will take fight for them. Me they take the day where Edward will come out for live video, can't share tears, can't talk once, even if na one version of what you they do. Now that day, if you can't they talk that time, say we they fight out the year. Not be best way they smile, where should they live fine everywhere so bubble. We don't let push you go where you belong. Say Esther ne kongodo with him akowo. Get one side where zuogodo. You know they say they carry small pikin you push your go down like zuogodo. I don't stay there see the world. Where that been went down. We are odo. Now so they do you. This one say we fight for person. We never they fight for Edward. The day where Edward go put my talk with you do. Yeah. Ya say gbe native daughter no gbe no. All of them go collect daddy. You not believe. You know the matter. Not be say you don't know. May I sit down for my share way. Not be say you don't know. You know the story. When you wanna share the video.
Why get talking no? Why not say fake? Anenia. Why you mama ya tie man wa na fake?
Gunwe mama ta fake. Mama tie to na fake. Every ni mata mana we do work to na a Lagos street na do. Now be say you they wash me there. Now be say you they really they wash me. Because now let me take talk for this media. Say, hey, Tony was from Lagos street. Imagine Vietnam, because now you come out and they condemn Edward here, say, Edward here, this one. And now I say, your own are from Lagos Street for the co. Imagine Vietnam. Edward, they're Vietnam, they see everything, they play the show. Your own are from Lagos Street. Who can Lagos Street if your own of you are here, you understand? Who will get time man away again? Mama, I get him. Because I take Beniyo. I'm not Beniyo now. We know what we feel. It will say we quit no. My wife, because what are you there for? Are you there for fancy or for picture? My friend, keep your hands busy. Agunwe. Says girl. Gue gunwe says girl. You know I got boy. You know I got the boy. Why I never want to
oh, that's me no aim na say e yan gelete yo ni. We ri yen we e bonye to ni me hie. We ya boda e boe ya koloma. Eni asaga ime. Ne fa so ni wo do leke na hule ya yo fa sabi teleto.
Na lie. Esther, you lie here. You lie here. Uwe any saga we ne fanson ni make na yo vasabi delito. E osi and when I do hito. The answer is lie. You forget how you start this to say. You don't even know say na that one get the hair. Abitu we nini. Uwe iwe si moroko. Are you mad or something? No be here you talk and just now say you don't even know who gets the hair, but the man tell you say in buy you they say. So how come if they come they do saga, people call they saga you, then your second go come they say hey, now make you do the thing. I bet you be doing and say as we go they saga you. People where they use juju cash, they will come they buy the hair from you. Go return the hair. We not say you what the keto. Go return the head. Word of Yetona go measure where Babe Tona, if possible, I will advise you have your last away. Do I mean one of you say price no one anymore. Consazendana. Or viamo son vini ya yon. Okay, la live video na no de. Na so e go pack audition na sile yenye. Na mi ereto la gbonti. Ona sile yenye. Abe zigi no vi okana. E ya wina no e ban. Ana e ya wina no e buan. Ana ya be so we zabo do se ko do soto. Half human being, battery, woman with battery in the stomach.
I got saga is who don't you start. Me reckon me na yati mo madam. So when me the right thing me. Me ma worry. Let them call me back person.
Right, you are a bad thing. If to say your husband really wants to say her, you are a bad woman to support him to say her. If to say the man want to say her, you are a bad woman to support him to say her. So not be good thing you do. You are crazy. Who tell you not good thing you do? Who tell you? Oh no, me battery yako.
I got team mo madam sa guy me. That I mean no any me o. I when you me.
I the when Ariana riave. O me no when runda. Ikuna manatio ma erioji. E patina manatio ma erioji. Wadamio o wa me no when you.
Me kana hule ya yo vasabi delito.
O vasabi ma ya delito.
Me reckon me na yasi mo madam. So when me the right thing me ma worry. Let them call me back person. But I know I'm doing the right thing. I got team mo madam sa guy me. That I mean no any me o. I when you me or say na ozo. And also so na you be blessing me on top of.
O me blessing ropa. When we not see an agbo e buy. You are too desperate. Then I've yet told you when you can't you say no, please, I don't want to get involved. Take it away. You should take it out of my house. Ometita. Desperado. Ame bodo. Wa he yo ere. Ve no fen la yen. Agbonga agba we dokba. Obere. Agbona ido gba we yemi ni mama. I e word o ye princess. Princess. Ya se boda fuwa. Oda fuwa na di obo kan word. E gometa sini makama oda yen sakeva. Iyamana sakeva ma ewe. Imam ma ewe justice for a word. Oti a governor man oma wagbon. Take a deputy governor man. Iya ibere ewe yes. Emi sunu wo woda fuwa. Iya do bere ewe yes emi sunu wa. Eri aya ya san gbowa. Me la video na. I asan e ma ya bolu wa gbo ama. We me mi ni ropa. We I explain you go explain you go try no evidence. Ama yes na son. Obama yes. Can't you see the way everybody now hates you? Everyone hates you wefu. Tota ma won pa no like when wo wa labo. Ni va bona ya la we gbe no the ade. Unu e ma we bere no do la jan we. Wa say ayo Esther ma gbe o. Esther MC no we me anybody a. E hon don no mama. All not when you confuse ave do musician. Iyan we abo mo no mo de ne mera no mera me yo de. Name oh you oh ko je oh ya oh yo that is all view ye ho. Ni very ade we no bo wa so my instruments. Ni ado ye career iyan ya go we e kiere. Wa o wa gbon. Omi no wenu ideni do wenu e hondon
that was what me any o se le gbe na kin ayo o ma ni mati ozo so go bless
do ma ne gbe kan ya lare ya ge gbe nu be word nu do to ma ne gbe kan bu wa ifa egbe kun we na egbe ai mati e o ko ne gbe kan we me ni ya me kiase o te me kia ni ba adam yo
o se le gbe na kin and there's nothing they can do about it.
Avat, you enjoy a video now, it disturb you on Avat. Advertisement. Hey, disturb you. Give me enjoy a video now. I'm not going to now. Why you know? They make here. Why you video by the camera? I'm doing my job. This chair today. This chair, sir. The great Guinea people in the diaspora, please forgive Esther. Nobody is perfect. My church,
I go pay everything. listen. They cannot feel. Me, I get my target for night. Not to help her. So that people can buy.
Shut up. You not get any target. You not get any target. You say you get your target for mind to help her so that people go follow her back. You forget yours now. Say you still talk and say, I wish your husband say you say now she gets that hair. You for quarrel put say why the man go carry her hair can't give you. Abi you the Chris? Uwe ye hosi Morocco. Abi you the man? Are you mentally discarded? But yes, okay, you no be you talk and just now say, I wish the man tell you say, na Edward, our princess, all the way from the motherland, now she gets that hair. Say you for quarrel, yes, you for quarrel. When I wait till you talk yours now. Now you are still claiming saying you know why you do the hair, you do like prank so that make Edward for still say hair, make Edward for say hair. Now you say you for quarrel. I wish you know say now she get the hair. Why you know your kukuma fair drive go meet her make she come, make you go carry the hair for herself. Wow. You just say you fit turn people, but I make you say they say you fit be lawyer. You will be thief, stealing by trick. When no go for oviation ban. Lord, ya di wagbon ko no le battery. Very evil woman. Ga wo ye pokokoko. Wo ge me banai. Hey, give me what destroy you with the Holy Ghost fire. Azena. Come on. I come my camera face that I may not be looking.
Does that make me a fool? No. I am not a fool.
You are a fool. Who is not crying?
Why?
Who? Jesus Christ. Maybe you was no day. All this word no count now. The word no straight, it no follow, it no make sense, it no go where. Where they wanna turn? Okay, now word call you fool now? No. Your husband call you fool? No. Did your children call you fool? No. Who call you fool now? They tell on like when skeleton of nowhere. Who call you fool? Like you are in your
Mama,
I bet wanna share this video.
I don't prefer so you are bowa ma bogo me be ni akwa timoto ma dogo me. That dogo woge. No ka bowa bogo yeji.
Where be? Guno ya gyo. Gunwe, uyo wa wegi man. Okono me meta discarlet. Uyo wa wegi man. U forget a comment when u comment in anywhere. E what the ekwe e won wa, e won de me mi ropa, e jupon pa gbava, e me anything, e me property, e me nokpa, we bo wa no mo say, e what the won wa. Have you forgotten? Have you forgotten? Tana we. We you run when ata we uma yo wa wegi man. Wow.
Imayo yo re de wa be no so yo wa make yo ma we bo wa ma po.
Women.
So
this my share.
Na call idiotini. E matter we na go call idiotini. O se na hama me trust ni me we ni get we live video cause when you got here born all do fa we wa. O se na tama me we ni get we live video kwep mo because when we got here born all do fa we wa.
O se we na de do ya go ya ni make na do father fu we wa any asa. O da fu we gbe na. O da fu we gbe na. O da fu we do gbe live video. O we do gbe because of the a first lady area a vetinami. Wow. Oko le gbe kan.
You nigga saga we na ni my daddy husband. But you want for me because I want you. I want you, my dear. Don't call anybody again. Or then my way.
Well, oko na ri mi aga yin pa yan nyado a. Or that thing what the word wa won we live video way I want you. Or then wa boy. Or that thing what? Thank you, Mama Margaret Osaro. Esther. It what that fair word, oh, we one here, be on my way, we one because I don't get that place. You for your mind, you they do say now let you get this man. Esther, when you when I know we are now let you get this man. Senior wife never talk. Second wife they made husband for public. We wait on what I'm making here you. Yamanati fin when you are zo abomination. Of your where you are. And you know you wait tag why I'm mo bia. We what you are mo bia. Already money. Let that man not come back and sleep with you until Zoe. You are adulterous woman, Esther. Esther, you be adulterous woman. Oh, no, what no admire eki bieka. Adulterous woman, you know. Mom, listen.
Enough. Kenu mau aba wo ya. Enu mo because me beg any na wetu mo ha. Who be bad one kiri ke doka we. I know the fear saga. I know the so you are afraid, my darling. You are afraid of saga. You are afraid that they will insult you, or they will insult your wives, or they will insult your family. That is why you are running it.
Ipena. The man, it pena say, the man, if it say, Frank go saga Edward, as Frank one saga, the cause where this woman can cause Esther, the cause where this Esther no who can cause Frank. The trouble where she can't do so. She be feel say, if Frank verse, he go saga Edward. Yes. Even investor, they will verse, they will saga Edward. She no say Edward na international. E mani ma ona ya bere o mona koko wa. they don't see a word. Say a word is responsible. My nego we oh funyere no real life biani. My nego go esiasioi no regbeni. E what the awa enjoy here. Oh wa di emi here. So far ne change. So far ne lelewe with saga. So far ne exchange a word with you. For how many years you know ya la many? E what the may run no e go e go on the live video. But look at how mad you look. Genya Wester. Enya wo bia obia re you pu ya we straw ya sia me hu. Ka hu gbolo ko ya ni renya we ya gi mudia we isese. See your life. Uye be mo yuma he you hu gebe no je we na man uye be na go o na no mu mi na gwa you hu. You see, huh? Anything, my lady, according to this, your comment, where you happen to Esther with air word for his house. He no finger me yente. Even though say na every day air word they beat his house. Only my come me send a message. Me get a marriage. Me ma get marriage. Anything what you see, me.
And upon all you go to and read, they will only hold it for you for some time. And they will be oppressing you. I know you be quiet to tear body at the end.
Oh, that wa.
No go say, no go she, no go okay.
Huh? The one you go on investor. Our investor.
No go no me ya talk because you know me anyway.
Huh?
Okay, ba okay, so no be me. Urobe me madam fine. Who ba gbin na mama, but una ba okay. After a matter give a phone. Oh man, we ga robi me ba. Getting ga de ba egbe le robi me. Ye ga gbin na niya. Which is normal. I bet to settle. I give a settle ne. Akune. Oh my ya robi me. Me no we no da fine me give no na. Oh my ya robi me. Oh my ya robi me. Wo me ya robi me. Oh robi me go na robi me. Una shi go give ye. Me no we. O gbe robi me. Una shi go give ye ya. Una shi go give ye. Ona no we get passport. Una ye ne. O we to when ya we. No we shi go give ye the birthday happy birthday to bia last year. No bia no soon I don't know. But we go give we for the children.
Esther, if you investor, I have a princess in my way. I will tell you. Why this Esther they quick they saw children? Esther, Obalo way is a valas. But why not we actually present an imayalizi way or mabguama? The only thing we have interest about is injection and what the babayo egbena, silent injection, no invisible injection, no ni wa kunwena. E what the make this oh a lot of women are learning from you. A lot of women are learning from you. Oh, no, the piece no be a word. Oh, my baby, order for travel, Jetonia, Jobona, Ubala Mahoa. I am aware deo, I what did la video, I what did to equal, a saga deo, or what I may obey what. When not that for ya joy, a riodo ya lawa. But to me, skeleton of nowhere. Anytime or that for why you lay what it by a dory. A vegan like the skeleton of Izobo. Skeleton of Izobo, also so. Oga Jenny what is so. Even a venary balese, if ye man ye garo ye no de, a bonurity any presenter, what ya call ye, stand of his what ye. Look, the mamma bull no football. Say out there, manadi wewote, managa promoting one manugaso, in one nuga better a plate you wear, who is obo, okay, one ladian, why be one we are visible, okay, as well as you. Thanks for joining Paris, my darling. Thanks for joining. Equidita we 1,008 abi 12. Ni spray ni z nwe. U ya return gay. U lori ya riva go 1,002 euros. Igo rere, o na selese because you don't want it. Ya ye kwe return go ni. O go na wala la o Jane, o le brook. Ya ye miti we go do 26 million. Ah wu gbezi enu we go do. Uwe no vada. Uwe no ve. Ya if we ya ohun ya ye pako ohun ya digba. Ahun ni. Uwe nu ahun ne tew ni lare ni. Emi yere ba. Aya uni awe battery yang fisi yo we gbere. Who can know? I'm also charge battery. I'm a charge battery. If people if you look this video where you do yesterday, they go listen to how you take the breath. People don't hear the breath. They don't hear my breath since. Oh, where they are. Then we are more one. They Monica we are breath. Men were breath video. Amen. The battery ni have your the battery wa hello. Edo wa breath. I don't know. Abi ko name yeki.
Nega yo bine. Abi de nuga na all me nutama. If when they to tell me woman love me, oh I me nutama concerning my family, let them come and play it. I beg you, my darling. I have nothing against you.
Yeah. You have nothing against him. But tomorrow
I have been played for a fool
for
a very long time. And I know. And I accepted.
Listen.
I have been played for a fool for a very long time. And I know. And I accepted because I need peace.
Only this video, you talk different things. I have been played for a fool for a very long time. But then the matter with justice in winner. Justice for, he said, the pain that's inside of Esther that making her to be angry. So bad. Pain, obaloni, balewu. Obaloni, balewu. We send a message. You know, they talk and say, I have been played for a fool. For people, wait, just the joy. Let me play it for you guys.
Yeah, I have been played for a fool for a very long time. And I know. And I accepted because I need peace.
Now they hear? The husband, when she they talk now, say she have been played for a fool for a very long time. And she know. So who you they explain to? Madam. Now that pen go back. Esther, people are angry with you. The world is angry. The whole world. For the English movie industry, all those ones they verse for you right now. Because English movie industry, what do you do Two-Face with your wife? Those ones are angry with you. Return Two-Face to Annie Dibia. Do industry. We are fed up of you. I wish you fit just carry your face, come on for our space. Maybe we want to see your face. Go find one side day. Not even they talk to us. We don't want even. Please, can you shift yourself out of our sight? You are mad. See your life. Mona, listen.
I have been played for a fool for a very long time.
And so? Who cares? How is that our problem? How is that our business? What can I? I take concern us. We are crazy. Make I see whether any this day live video. This one I don't finish, guys. Now short video. Let me see if I go see another this one the one where you already take this guagua. Okay, Giamona yo. You already.
Now yes, I don't buy it. You just got to be based on what you're saying. What watch about where? I hear you only the money can now hold. Any small thing, what you want, you can not be one. Who make a good thing? One, no, yes, one. I hear you, son, don't be son of mine. Go and beg that woman. What will be all my problem? When I'm a woman, you're not designed about this way.
Because she does
not designed about this way. And any dating maybe where I cut them up by it.
To even know how disrespectful she is. Do you know that she uttered one statement to say she is the one and only big Edo musician in Edo State? I
haven't ever really found a place that I call home.
Hello, I did live video. I'll call you back. Are you getting me? Ekenema, he say the queen. She say make we put Iyore on. Now I swap on your my people. Only give message get away and to be presenter. Maya ko no to be ma. Una they get me. Ekenema e pa kabama. Ekenema important personalities. Ekenviere yaji. Akoge Henawe, she's the best Edo musician in Edo State. If you Samore Riva, if you a pa Wamagbe, no Wamagbe Riva, a lot to Kodo de die, Bernard O de die, a Paulita de die, a Paco de die, a lot millions. See, my son, we legends, why we I know we have a lot of legends in a beso or the way so me work, who went so last it woman no so. We understand you are like anyone, but mama no so, but last I'm able to know, you know. Skeleton of his zobona na ladian we nyobi sin wan se to wa do gbe presenter ma ya ladian no do gbe make we sin o ma ya ladian wetin dey shele ladian we do gbe ma me ma o ba one thing you must know is that me ma o ba live video o we o do we na ya we o avano o bi aso no 1 o'clock you know hard we ma be me go sin na no we dey sin make go na ni o ma ni mi ro pa yo me gbere I ka go no we na gbe start if you see na mo ko water ladian me won ina dey be live video o bere ibe ko ene sin o ya le dona for the ba me dey be abala me ko gbe o ho me dey be the live video. Tomorrow, I can use tomorrow to do anything. I think we use only tomorrow make money when I shall try this week. Ubere, Eri Maya leave. Oh, how much where to challenge him to a fight? That means you're one of our
on a moment before. Ubeta, other for whatever target you are to pick up with. Pick up your man. It's where to tell my working men and meal. If you have to go, it will never know. You will never one of my women away, or yet to know my watch, or away in your Facebook. I am in Chapat. What again? If when I go to your hallway. If when I go to your hallway. Go on, better. There will be marriage. Nana, I'm not going to master hope of the number go to where you are. Of the number go to a woman when I see marriage. Jamais Verboto was a marriage. Do you go not for West 2 million marriage? Mamma Janu Yamu. You got away. I will master what I'm saying. I'm a spiritual woman. Major double make cat matter. There was Zige marrying. Just what was marriage.
Una grow as my problem. We go see the user grow for you. My grow. We'll see the user grow.
At the end of the day, I'm not
my people, those of una where they don't say Esther, why users group, that one a pure lie. Now only Esther get something to lose. Now she get waiting we go use the flesh. Nyonya ni yana yari. Yes. I be actress? No. Am I a musician? No. What you concern me? Waiting she want talk for months. Oh, no mama care for a very long time. What do time, man? We don't care. Nyon your ja. Yes, you're very fans. Not being the waka with the BB people for a dodgy. Eh, yon de lave Davido, lele yave whiskey de ya. Maybe Davido ba. Eh, I work Davido have show here YouTube ya begeba. Work to face ni adu odori ya here. O be begeba. Or when you guys talk abwa, now she they give us attention. That's one thing you must know. Now she. Wait we won't lose. Now she gets it. Now she get avec Davido. I have one with Davido avec Douare Saga ni ma wedo sa space. Avec Shoma be ya. Avec work to face ni avec na we Saga na only wale runi ma udo. I know. Only wale runi ma do sa space. She they pray for us. We my yae. You understand? Man, they talk against her, she they use us, but now we they use her grow. Now we go use her grow. Yes. Now we go use her grow and we go beat her on top, expose her on top, shame her on top, disgrace her on top. All these things are for free. Everything are for free. Wait till we get what? Wait till we get what you want use. Oh.
But she va, o market the meeting. I don't have your cover. Just go back your well. I don't have your cover.
Iyo de face, iyo de na gwegbe, yo we la do yame yakova o. Iyo de malaki no mani e cover Saga. Wa go face iyo de.
I don't have your cover. Wait,
me I gonna go back.
Mama bye. What are we not saying? Yeah, you are. At the end of the day, I'm not going to Mama said when we are married for where you are.
Iyo.
There you are. I never go where you are. But she va, o market the meeting. I don't have your cover. Just go back your well. I don't have your cover. I don't have your cover when you get one. I don't have your cover. I am in Shabbat.
My people, no ya de ni yere yo no de. Apola ti yere si gba fanesi. Yere we na ri yo. Ije yere ri eso. La do ya me ya cover o. La do ya me ya cover. Ije we. Isabagie o. Ije. Eni no wa de yo we ge party ni yen Apola ti yen si gba fanesi we. So waga ti e wo waga be vision ni mama ni. Isabagie o. Oko lavo. Eswe ni yo. Iyo de dinner when what you say? Everybody.
I got that for go on tate. Ba wo ka o ma bia ye ba. Ala no abe. Be no sio ko. Wo we na matuma.
Iyo de another confuse. Iyo de we. O we ka we na matuma. Egbe bebe nesta we goda fun ese. Wa ma mi nesta kai. O we ni megbe Frank ise. O iwe we no goda fun we no ya. O we ni megbe Frank ise. I ma gbe Frank ise no a. I ba ni me na ego ko na. Ona fode yan gboro ni. We I ma gbe Frank ise no a. So do that for we na do gbe Frank. Do that for we na do we Saga. Ai gbo abolu egbo a. Who ijo le Saga?
I am in Shabbat.
Okay.
Why the way okay me aka na keke me aka wona we na keke we no pot your wopa. Una mo picture go bi la do na design e Shabbat e o wona no ya si wo me me no so. E wa gbon ni hinu weso. Baba na go we so apagere won o ba so wa ga so ni won o ri so to utu wa ro do doge na me weta ku we kian. What are you say? Ya si won i ko ya ni si won be do ya si won.
And the one we gbe yo.
We dey see for na so that they see.
But the one you dey gbe.
E se we be ri won ke.
We won be yo de kita me start na ya si won e. Ona yo de no wa gbe yi won sta no wi yin like won sta. Oga gbo pe. Eyin ita na we do ma be ko no ke no so e. Ago seze. Eyin na si Jesu. Agbon si omo. Abi won sta ni yo de wa be gbe yi we ge ni giwe won. Yo de ma like gba wi won ni.
Una ye cheti we we. Na me weta ku we here. Call mama Pat go and beg her.
Okay.
Go and beg her. I beg you, Shabbat, because it bring me with the what do I move? The problem is what do I move? Let's see where.
What do I move?
You want to go where? But now we go to one of your where can you
make I read these comments of this my person say. We say, oh, no, Papa, can I go back? He said, why it be saying and when quarter come, una they talk truth. Here, but you they praise her music. He had that singer. Agbonsioma, madam.
Then I will not you.
Okay.
Yes, you will. Who do you mean? In a way, part two, I'm offensive. Because I have to tell you the truth. They make an army peace. That's so funny. We know what they do. Why we just trying to kaya? Una ba. Who want me? I'm saying never why we can't let you promote you. What billion? Mani muti anu who said the nena. I want to make you almost a lot of getting not one support over.
Okay.
Well, I mean, who begging you when you are away? Who give away my good name here? Even on my quality lovers here. Yeah, see we not was when you way. It will carry the Masena. I put my mother time when you were so for and I went no way they couldn't for that Moka said, don't go to Atana. You know, your pa. Well, your pan when I was a 30 community. Nene me to
Thanks for joining Mama Sai, no master.
well, your pan about women, you know, when you are your top. Well, your pa. Well, your pa when I'm winning my group. The present of panel is one of my hair couple. Well, your pa. When I'm winning more missy, and when I know ever near to your near well, your pa. Well, your pa. Ah, okay, run up on my woo. Ah, okay, run on much. Papa get out. Era no cavini, you can't do it. Well, my woo. Well, your pa. When you said that, good money, I could well, your pa. Well, your pa, when you're boy, I'm with destiny.
You're what you said also, yeah.
Give me away. But another way. I better get one
Very nice.
well, your pa, give me a good record.
Tell us, oh, Coach, tell us.
Epa, you have to wear a Facebook. You have to wear a when you silent. Well, your pa. I bet Facebook come and say, "Man, Baba come back. I said they will double. Okay, to the destiny. Well, your pa, you. When I'm not women, no, your pa. Only do a keke. Nene, as something. Say no, what I have to make a woman. Like,
Iyo le gbe wo. Iyo le wiya pe mako. Iyo le wiya pe mako si o. O wa zagba ze mi o si yen. Iyo le gila ki wo ko. Ran lo bi e we no. Ibi yo kori o association.
well, your pa.
Wa ge face to ge.
Come and say, "Man, Baba come back. I said they will double. Okay, to the destiny. Well, your pa, you. When I'm not women, no, your pa. Only do a keke. Nene, as something. Say no, what I have to make a woman. Like wicked you mappy.
Ewo.
All our women who went. I don't want to know the now.
Okay.
It's about go avoid when I go. Who get go by the knowledge of me. What is on Gona Kadoimian?
Okay.
You know, no. Imian, I must have put Moka in because Moka offended with Moka. But the second one, I'm offended. Who never to Yakis or when we're Yakis, no Yamuju, where this is.
Okay.
When my mother got this sort of way.
Go where she no go.
Sakamori Monta.
Ije.
I'll tell it because you see go near your man on no man.
Ije.
We are your owner with original second, first class second, so I'm
First class, iyo de last class.
all destiny.
Ije.
Look at you today.
Iyo de zebo fwa.
We no respect. We will not me me and that.
Ije.
We are you marry go ali go digo no we go nana. We me go get disgrace. You know ya go work.
Advice from a best
On
friend.
a character for man stay here part 2, stay here part 2, stay here part 3, stay here part 4.
Ewo.
How dare you talk to me? Are you mad?
Ije.
You go work one person now.
Ije.
Even let talk about
Gele yore ma go egun yore wa de TikTok. Mama e weteji yore de sef. O wa ni vela for get TikTok. O na si yore de. O si yore de ni anado agbi yore de sini.
I go make you look better for them. You are the cause.
Huh?
You are right from the one the money I way. You don't forget you. But only you go you go try go some.
Ew.
I wait for you no mu. You are say we me way.
E di o to oni mi ate pe my ban. Oni mi ate pe. Ya e de gbere do pe.
No man respect eh. O man we man respect. But this case that for where? That for when we go where you marry. What you go. You go like bolo go na ya mu le family wo you go get. I go be me no ba gbe mi ya no go nya go we wo si go we. O get no chop ba that for where si go chi.
Ewe.
O ba no go me lo ya ke we no go ya we marriage. O me lo ya ke we mo le si na lo ya ke we wa. O na ba le me ya. O be kana because o lo double. Akobega no peka. O ya yin akobega na forgive you. I go worry like what papa. Yeah, we no na forgive me. We go forgive me. Why go to him ya there? We na pity the forgive mama.
Yo. I feel for Yore for this one where she talk, my people. I feel for her. I'm not not about. We can pretend the forgive woman. And why Monica Westana or pretend the forgive Yore? Yama like Yore. Yana pretend yana forgive her. Obega ya the end. Yana popo Yore. Yana yazi Yore popo. If you look at face here, you'll see say the tip here where friendship in our Yore. Yo. The friendship in our Pepe Kundita.
Akobega na forgive you. I go worry like what papa. Yeah, we no na forgive me. We go forgive me. Why go to him ya there? We na pity the forgive mama.
Yo.
Imane me rock money way. Ujo wa kenye the marriage way. No wonder. Ya na tie wa zele tie pema ko we. Ya ga change to what later better change what here no mind. Oh yeah, we so ga so kita ka we level. But look at what you are doing now. Ona wa kwa so adena. Ya wa kwa kia. Ya wa akba ewe. Obi aso ma mi wa no ma cheke no kekpa. Scatter head. You know, you have good destiny. They call you men have good destiny. No problem. Because I want it. You will not go show. Why may not jump one video? Now, no, be career over here. You took me go here. When you got the money, you pocket. Then you go about better. What's the man of Beggar? You are not doing level. Who will go on every vessel? Not powder for men and you couldn't on him. And not your better, about Lago. Who go maybe no?
I said that because of the take you care 5 minutes. Yes, now Mama Chelsea, of course, we know. Thanks for joining the lady. You already have my sister. When I marriage over here, yeah? Marriage what? Yeah.
Marriage by force. You force the young man to marry you. We're not paying for your money. And this is something you're not fresh.
I am.
Oh, I'm not fresh. So we have a need one. If you know, no make casual water.
Ah, boy.
Just because of money.
Very bad.
Very, very bad. Only may play. Baby, go see. Oh, do my way no po. Now we're gonna feel the magician. I have been for one.
An education, educated manager, relationship. No feel like this. Yes, now.
Furniture job.
Oh, when you government. Oh, when no when winning, no ya where winning. A governor appointed man. Or when no ya winning furniture. Eh? You just forget. He say a state here just forget. Say you're a bad man. Oh, all this. Here are something. And next time you will daily yuri. Guys, I'm coming. I want to put on for tripod so I go easy for me to show you guys. Yeah, we will gear. A friendship in my day. Why did they was oh, this again. Okay, let me remove the pack. Oh, why did they was why we do me? You're go. Oh, well, you know why you're a bit bitter like this? Because they be friends. Now they get me. Because they be friends. You may get go you next time because you're betrayed a real original friendship, you know me. On I betrayed the next. Did any play no matter what? And then it's your lad.
I'm not to tell him ya. Oh, I can I bet I'm okay with what I'm seeing you now, take boy. But while you get any up, we'll put one to the UK, what Bajar not to the UK. I won't never know me. I don't want her.
You don't want the UK. I don't want the UK. I don't want the UK.
Go away. Oh, business of echo here.
You're the way to be. I don't want the UK. And I people.
Bunny hour this way. Because we're I be able to go and your dog when I have this who's a sort of. Oh, no. To sell up the window, given us as a little piano at this way.
Easy.
Given us as a supper. Even managing more than 20 million. Oh, no, I see, no, the man has a marriage full. It is missing a man. On your man, on your man. You must say, oh, you don't make me marry size you, mamma. You can be a manager. Why, where, you know, why, I walk away, I don't fit you. Why, where, you know, Baba? Why, where, oh, hot over home at the way, market. I'm ready, men or whatever.
Ah, I'm going to always start over the UK. Only women on over the UK. Oh, Sang Banya Rube, she not get any ass for UK. Monica, I'll tell you when you're hyper fake life. When what drag on it? Why Saga on yours one way fake congratulations. That's like the why destiny mother. I'm not bad blue. You're here. My people, Esther Madowa of the UK, okay? Or Madowa the UK. All right? Why Monica we Arasa guy? You're by your pack by the blue. You're to buy congratulations. Are you getting me? Or Madowa of the UK. Any baby UK, I bet when no yadowa. Why many time don't fall for that cheap lie? Why Esther is not a member of GPC? Any we come you know. Although a boy will have a guya because anyway, we are submit to you. Because when you behave, why will have guya? Yeah, your woman, how can you when GPC people come on to tear bone of that for way? Who get the adult to tear bone of that for way?
Oh, man, I brought in I
not see
any year because I'm with a party. Take time. What take time? Disgrace how we are this way. Shame on you. Why, when I might be Emma. Go be cook here. You're not careful. Look at you today. Do you want my baby? What in me? Is that a new tea? I'm not a better. I don't mean now. Okay. Oh, you see, okay. Nina woman up was the destiny and no yaka was so. I don't see a man who could marriage you. I don't see one who watch it. We watch it that only a marriage in Kuala. Mosia. Yamamu. At the Muya region. What the Yamamu could marriage of it. You saloboa. No matter my way to a problem. 25 years yet, but don't buy like you are a question. Eko na me betati. Era me obomeri eko, ibi je me bomeri eko. Ebo ni mo bojo do mai na no eko e Ghana Togo issue. If no jame ya jeto, o ni na with marriage. Ya ne na o mi na me okpe the marriage me. Ofo pa na go 2 weeks.
Marriage wele. E ma ya ru wa invite na me accident go dey ko. Na me accident ni wulo na wulo ni bo bora bobo. Lori we me story.
Ewebo, e na pay the very country ne pe. E na life insurance. Now my everything dey. I love this Ewebo pass any other country. In a government man go maybe want to get it to 1.5 in the city. Do man na no. I'm living where. E mo tell you veneke mi
1.5 o ma gbe nu we dey bed.
Tu wa na lo ebonu we lo ni. We bege gbo we. We have a love, if you enemy, if you marriage, if you musician, if you hire visa, if you hire baby cook, if you hire go away on motor, e ya fun we peja. E ya jam we pe ya ko nu ya ni jam.
Somebody say sir all dey drink show.
E don't we kiss it. E don't be ya no we pe ria. The time we go watch video. Una we we can okay. I think I spirit that every time. Hectorio, who love you? We are on motor area. If you know who le gbe na kiss. Don't give away my lalugo ise because there was a time who were waiting so. I mean your pa.
Hey, that. Hey, where was the guani ayore? Where when you were?
Oh, wait, matter what they are waiting so. When the
problem. Let me see this comment. Did anyone any year? No matter. Say you can lie. Person where go the 10 hours for TikTok go to get peanuts. The person you dey when you 1.5 every month. They not the bet be man no na 1.5 every month. My first of all, me ani go ni e taya ya ifianya gbe start over overnight in the UK ifianya gbe ni ya fin. Okay, can understand the social media now. This comment say if you toto dismissing the person I have is Monica. Make I see. Esther don't odo. Yes, so thanks for joining you, sirs. May I see that comment? There's a comment I'm okay see on here. You see, let me use my other phone to read it. Share the video, guys. Share. Because me wash away. Why we feel so good? Oh, I kiss now. I know why I don't want like to. I be a time away. I don't even know if you know you be pa. If not by you way. I beg away. Before you may take away kitty. You may take away kitty. But I'm not guys. Today you want to talk to me because I made a mistake to talk to you. I don't know what happened to me. At the end of the day, I realized my mistake. What are you doing here? People might wait to hear. Osas don't say. Esther don't. Yes, so very old.
Because you forgive you,
somebody say, when I listen to this comment, he say, yeah. Okay, maybe the one say you all should stop insulting Esther. It's okay. He must say thank you for this comment, but let me tell you something. When Esther come outside, they insult her head. They insult her coconut head with her aging belly. What do we do her? Even when people they say Europe tour must stop, we don't talk now. Frank where he thought her was different. She come out to say she want to come and fight us. How you say may this fight they finish now when we dey our own and she can find us? Oh my possible. I mean, maybe they might say she never still come out since. You may like her because she they waste people time. Many people don't sit down, they wait for her. I don't know why we live video, made the follow entire live video. I'm me. The ain't lie. Yo salo boy. Oh, listen to your remember.
Muna do you know say na go dey pe to agbe won we. Okay. La pa we. Oro me gbe oro we pe. Na we ma be won we. We ma soto. Ta we.
Iwani yore wa lucky. Na yore dey talk now. Wait Esther ye gaga bi wani. Owo di we ma soto. Iwani yore wa pe. Boss your my people. Yore for ke yo.
Agbo e bo je ori Canada yako. O de ya wo ya so ni o ma no ta iso. We be we gaga. Ye be no ge we be na
I free today. Abi o my lady coach. Me wa le ke mami. Esther. Esther God
stay one place. You are not a Christian.
Oh, wait, God stay one place. You are a God stay one place. Or where you are not a Christian. Or wait, wow,
jamais women yale ba tiebo. To me vie ni present agop. To me vie piche present agop. D'abord, do my way. Change. A family ni area ewa. Ba be go vi not only na style go be tomorrow.
Yes, now, Queenie, my love, yes. Tag it so that I will see it.
Your picking and see all your children, they are very fine. They will rule tomorrow. They will become a star tomorrow.
Somebody said, Frank said, one old Oyibo man don't give Esther daughter belly. Hey. Frank is one about Johnny. Have you for talking? Have you analyzed my people? Ni afiyan de yagwale mube. Ya kwele bengbe padana dota.
I think go party. You go to go.
Yeah, I got the video.
Look at the way you can't even call her. You can't even talk as a fool man. Wherever the imagine I go for na go for you. Jejo Kwefa. To Waligo. You go na we. Eh na ipisa kwe. Every time you
we. Gwale leke shoga sta here odo. Ya gwale here. Say yes, so Esther daughter get belle. I said the problem I have is Monica. I don't know what Asian people do to her. If one person offend her, she will insult all Asian people. Let me tell you, my darling, here to this me. Monica, as a human being, she's a racist. Okay? Monica not like her fellow Bini, talk less of Ishan. And she forgets, say, we all are one. All of us, we are from that Edo state. All of us, we are Edo people. Monica have tried so hard to separate the Ishans from the Edo on this live video. No be waiting, we never fell here. To the extent, she carried that attitude, will be like, waiting, the night hammer put, throw, go meet one great personality for Uromi that time. Where the man nearly come and they drag her, they boloa. You understand? They boloa. You get me? And at the end, you go still see some Asian people go, they clap and they follow Monica. They feel, say they do the right thing. No. That's why I like the step where Lady Beatrice Opaika take to put her to her position, to make her know that you are nothing but a useless, empty vessel. Because I go, they play with you. You'll be like, now, I be Bini. Yeah, I go, they follow each Asian person they play. And you go, they insult my Asian people. Or you they no, you be Asian, be Bini. I they follow Asian, they play. You Asian, I go, they insult my own Bini people. And I go see they follow you, they work out. Many say, I don't know myself. Many say, I don't know where I for come. But if you go Monica platform, go check a lot of her comments, na Asian people. Those ones now, I never know can now sufu avebo. Now the others some people where see the Monica platform, they clap platform. Instead of them to put her to her place. She not like Asian people because of her failed marriage, 3 barbed wire. She thinks say na as 3 barbed wire be. Now so all the rest Asian be. The reason why Monica they insult Asian people, I'm telling you guys the truth, now believe it or leave it, is because of 3 barbed wire. The man not they produce anything. The man don't turn to cripple for small picking. The man, in short, egg yayahu. You see? Egg yayahu. Because I wish that man, now Odogu, said the man know he left and right. Fear no go left his own wife. On live video, they insult in people. Under a roof. It's not possible. It's not possible. But that man don't know himself. No be even say maybe Asian people find you trouble now. Or Asian people do you something. Or Asian people they drag something with their nothing. Any slight giving opportunity. If she not fit doing, go say maybe go they do one. Now what we know therefore. There be reasons. They have been looking for her to share this media for a very long time. Who go share where go follow Monica? Maybe they go follow her. But you see me, Esa and Edo, we are one. Me, I not they follow anybody. They do resist. No, this is
social media. Then I pull it while I say, "Oh, I am a larger one day." Kiju while like access up at the normal level.
Okay.
Kiju while like access up at the normal. Where me who one I pull it and walking a lot.
Okay.
I don't while I'm working. But today all of them don't leave you. I'm away for an access up and all your boy with you. No, that double can no more. I'm assuming we are who. I begin with a web. You want to let your initiative where you were.
Okay.
And when I put it, I must to deal with that. They know who are here. Woman, I walk or Wagule. Why come out on no offense? We are in here. We are in here. I love Bogdan. I want to know you. I don't know how we put on your Bogdan, and I don't care. We are in here. Don't matter no fear for one. Do you go on? You go and beg there. What's what you want to make problem? You will just say, Okono, ye piano, continue piano, marry, see America. Or you said, no, be a more pan on the UK, marry. Get no lower, Marco and Zio, Bamo, Yamuna give you now, on your discussion with Facebook.
Okay. Look
at the way she was talking to you yesterday.
Yes, man.
Not man.
See.
I fight for life so hard.
Screenshot. Okay. Thank you.
You to make up power in family. Try to repent here.
Thank you.
Try to repent.
No problem.
Because if you want madam, almost to return if you want.
No problem. Thanks for joining my lady. Favor Joy. Thanks for joining.
Now we're copying something behind the copying case. I was so surprised. Destiny. I copying what to do with her. I copying. So why are they forgiving her? Yeah, we forgive her, but they forgive her. He might forgive you. He might tell him I forgive you.
A power bat gets everything.
Anything really may appreciate
all those videos. Bloggers even carry for everywhere.
And we worried for many years. Our fans are copying destiny. Destiny.
You see?
Destiny.
You see?
That copying offense with Tamae. See, I know Quepla. I don't have to go there. You can't finish me. You got second wire video. I'm not like why I feel
okay.
Temata. I also go not discuss when you only have to do what I am this way.
Oh, you tell me you're not disgrace.
Time I come day me don't way. What friend will control? Will not be not trying. Me carry on no way. Why am I the Facebook me walk out? You can't never know. This me don't pay. Facebook it like Facebook.
Yes, stop fighting for your husband. Destiny.
Talk about friend is Sandra. Yes.
Only wife.
You got to go. You want me to be. You got to be me no.
Bege, you dey go carry family. Listen.
Access up pana. No mess one lele. You don't take. Maybe do when the beti me better with me.
Okay.
Sure, I know you ain't a go.
All right.
But I'll forgive you. Better get trust you. Okay, can only be careful. Not even one way. Okay, can you one way? While they access up pana. Okay, can you get up on one? Even one book, book, one or two. Oh, what? They might have one ituta. I will you. I will you. What's it was access up? I follow your ball. Ya wo gbe na bere go de ro ma wo yo ya to bolo we ba de so e ka we ni no ka ilaja ni ni no so pa amu la da no kwa no o igete gbe ni amu la di no kwa e record we no kwa se so pa to igete gbe o ko ma no record o ma o record we keep o go do o marriage wo pa nyere yi ba de no ya go we kwanu de na e ba no na we ye mo gbe ni ye de ba be no ta we to we gbe we marriage so he we o e go can ti we gbe marriage ni e ta ma do le ni we cut marriage do one no o e possible. And they will keep on disgracing you. The big disgrace is coming. No, really. On my experience on today. Or what the experience and I know you're more better to not learn more. When I am poor, when I am tell me to have a over. Okay, this way. Because he never dreamed to be this level. Yes, I'm new why.
Oh.
Thank God for my life.
Oh.
Hey, Ningo Mama destiny. Hey, the name I walk away. Hey, name I walk away. You are a man. Okay, I was saying, we let you while in your mamma, and while we have no care. You have no care. Yahweh Monopo. Destiny Yahweh Monopo.
Government appointed.
Yahweh Monopo.
No, you buy Yahweh winner.
Who have moto, our bus driver. I feel motor ring go to up our way. No, ya lulu niso cooking on here with me. Visuala. When the visuala, not get bullet while I Facebook, when we visual.